What is it, Puppet?
Is your job being a mom?
Huh? My job? You could say that. I am a mom and a nurse.
So, you have two jobs? Is mom like being nurse?
I do my mom's job because I love you. It's unconditional.
Pickle nut yummy! Disgusting!
And as a nurse, I have to take care of everyone, even when I don't like them.
Why you help people you don't like?
'Cause everyone needs help. It's the right thing to do.
The tight thing to do, huh?
Mom is a helper. She's just awesome like that.
What? No, it's mostly 'cause you make zero money.
Cool! Mom,
What?
when I'll be old like you,
That's not a great start for a sentence.
I want to help everyone just like you!
I expect no less from you.
Ew, pickle!
Sorry, Mom. I can't hold a light wick to you.
Yeah, again? Hey you! How are you? I hope you are doing well. It's so early though. After the Logano incident, I needed to isolate myself. Hungry? Alright. I felt too many emotions at the same time. And ended up not feeling anything at all. For a while, I've been stuck in an emotional bottleneck until my numbness started to subside. It stings. But now, I can manage. Eventually, I'll have to confront that thing